Welcome to the Permian period. This is a fascinating and important part of Earth history because it began as one of the greatest glaciations of the Phanerozoic neared its end and finished with the greatest mass extinction yet known, which destroyed 95% of the marine species and 75% of terrestrial species on Earth. The Permian world was also unusual in being dominated by a single huge supercontinent known as Pangaea, which was surrounded by a large ocean called Panthalassa. But the configuration of Pangaea was highly dynamic and underwent a profound transformation during the Permian. Permian sedimentary rocks contain a fascinating variety of fossil brachiopods, fusulinids, conodonts, ammonoids, spores, and pollen. Conodonts and fusulinids are the two major fossil groups for correlation between different regions. But brachiopods, ammonoids, bivalves, corals, and spores and pollen are also very useful for identifying Permian strata and reconstructing paleogeography and paleobiogeography. Radiometric dates are becoming more and more available to calibrate marker species. The Subcommission on Permian Stratigraphy is an organization, part of the International Commission on Stratigraphy, that promotes and organizes the study of the Permian. Its main objective is to define the series and stages of the Permian by establishing global stratotype sections and points, golden spikes, and to develop high-resolution correlation as a foundation for better understanding of the events of the Permian. At present, we are working on golden spikes for the Artinskian and Congurian stages, but we also have working groups that promote correlation between marine and non-marine successions and north-south correlation across Pangaea. Our overarching goal is to place all Permian events into the timescale. If you are a student or an early career researcher taking your first steps in the Permian world, or if you're an established researcher, don't hesitate to get involved in the SPS. We publish the newsletter Permafiles and hold regular meetings online and in person. We would like to welcome you to the SPS and encourage you to contact us using the email on your screen.